In this video, we will discuss about OpenAI technology with ChatGPT. OpenAI day by day is become popular because the technology likes come from the futures. With the OpenAI, we can tell the OpenAI to explain something, or we can also asking the questions. And in this video, we will show a little bit how to use OpenAI with ChatGPT. First, you need to create an account on chat.openai.com. After that, you will log in. For example, the interface is look like this for now. In here, we can tell the OpenAI with chat to explain some things. For example, I will tell the OpenAI using ChatGPT to tell about Google. Let's enter. You can see there, the OpenAI using ChatGPT can explain some things is nearly perfect. You can see there. And in these words or sentences is the most I already check is unique, and they don't just scraping from other websites. This is very good from the futures. And how OpenAI can works to asking questions. Let's asking something in here. I asking how to color my hair in here. You can see the OpenAI like robot. It's typing the text and also selecting more than 80% accurate in here. Wow, it's beautiful. This technology like comes from the future, like I say before, because the OpenAI it's very good when we asking some question or tell to explain something. Okay, but this OpenAI also have limitation. Okay, for example, if you asking your future wife, for example, the OpenAI cannot tell the question something like that. Let's asking who is my wife in the future. This is the limitation also. Okay, and this is the OpenAI technology, and we can use them to asking some question, or we can tell the OpenAI to explain something. It's very good, but with have limitation because the OpenAI is not a god, of course. But if you curious, and this is the OpenAI and how to use that. And that's all discussion special for OpenAI using ChatGPT technology. Hope this video helpful for you.